that people come in for?
Definitely the iPhone 6 right now. It's just a real easy phone to break.
If you took a look at mine, you would see, actually I should probably show you after this, mine needs some fixing really bad. Where exactly are you located?
We're at 4235 Main Street. It's right by Manayunk Tavern.
Is it a competitive industry, iPhone repair, or?
Yeah, it's very competitive. There's a lot of iPhone repair stores in the mall and the city. We kind of set ourselves apart from that though, by using quality parts and really getting the job done right.
Awesome, thank you so much.